Hello, my dear students. I am Sunita Tandon from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am here with next video lecture on chapter polynomial, and that is very important topic of your chapter polynomial, that is division a logarithm for polynomials. It is if px and gx are two polynomials with gx should not equal to 0, then there are polynomials qx and rx such that px equals to gx into qx plus rx, and the condition is if rx becomes equals to 0, it's okay. Otherwise, degree of rx should be less than degree of gx. So again I am repeating, px equals to gx into qx plus rx. So it is like your ordinary division formula only. Px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient, and rx is remainder. Only thing is that they are algebraic expressions. So it is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder can become equal to 0 or otherwise, because they are algebraic expression, so rx, degree of rx should be less than degree of gx. So this is our division algorithm, and now we are going to do some examples on this topic. So I'm taking one example from your NCERT book. The example is divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So this is px, this is gx. We have to divide px by gx. So before starting division, first we have to see that all the terms of px and gx should be in decreasing order of degree, means descending order of degree. So highest power you have to keep in the first term. So after our px is already arranged, you can see here. So we have to arrange gx. So after arranging, this is also called standard form. So divisor in standard form will become x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have arranged the divisor in standard form. Now we will start division. So look here, I've written here long division method. This is px, this is gx. So how we have to do the division of algebraic expressions or polynomial? What we have to do, we have to see the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. Okay, so first term of the dividend is 3x cube and first term of the divisor is x square. We have to divide both of them. Look here, I've done here. So it is 3x cube divided by x square. It is 3x. So 3x is our first term of the quotient. You can see here 3x. So 3x, now we have to multiply 3x by all the terms of gx. So multiply here 3x into x square, it is 3x cube. 3x into 2x, it is 6x square. 3x into 1, it is 3x. Now arrange these terms below the like terms of px. I've written here. Okay, now we have to do the subtraction of algebraic expressions. You have done subtraction of algebraic expression in class 7th, 8th, and now look here what we have to do. We have to change the signs of the below expression. So change the sign, it will become minus, it will become minus, it will become minus. Now first terms are going to cancel. Okay, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Here x square minus 6x square minus 5x square, 2x minus 3x minus x, and now carry forward 5 also. Again the same method. We have to see the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. Look here. First term of the dividend is minus 5x square and first term of the divisor is x square. Divide them. You will get minus 5. So minus 5 is second term of the quotient. Now multiply minus 5 by gx. It will become minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. Right below the like terms, Again change the sign. So it is going to become 0. Minus x plus 10x. It is 9x. Plus 5 plus 5. It is 10. Now we will stop here. Why we will stop here? As I've told you in the condition that degree of Rx should be less than degree of Gx. So you can see here. Here degree of Rx is 1 and here degree of Gx is 2. So we will stop here. So we have got the quotient and remainder. So Qx is 3x minus 5 and Rx is 9x plus 10. So this is the division of polynomials. We are going to take one more question which is very important question of your NCERT book. Look here, second example. So second example I have taken. Find all the zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if its two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So now you can see here this is px. So degree of px is 4. It means it should have 4 zeros. So 2 zeros are given, root 2 and minus root 2, and 2 more zeros we have to find out. So look at the solution. If root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros, it means x equals to root 2 and x equals to minus root 2. Or otherwise, if you will shift them to the left hand side, it means x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are factors, or otherwise their product. Do their product, x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. It will become a plus b, a minus b formula. It is x square and minus root 2 square, which is minus 2. So x square minus 2 is factor of px. So we will start dividing now with the long division. So our gx is now x square minus 2, px is already given. Now start dividing, the same process as I've told you in last question. First term is 2x to the power 4 and first term is x square. Divide them. We will get 2x square. So first term of the quotient is 2x square. Multiply all terms by 2x square. Okay. What we will get? 2x square into x square. 2x to the power 4. 2x square into minus 2. Minus 4x square. Arrange below the like terms only. It is very important. Now you have to arrange the like terms below the like terms. So first term is going to become 0. Here minus 3 plus 4. It will become plus 1. Carry forward the next terms also. Minus 3x cube was left. Now our first term is minus 3x cube and our first term is x square. Divide them. Okay, we will get minus 3x. So second term of the quotient is minus 3x. Multiply with minus 3x. So it is minus 3x into x square. Minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into minus 2 plus 6x. Change the signs. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Plus 6 minus 6, 0. Now what are the left terms? Left terms are x square minus 2. So x square divided by x square, 1. So the third term of the quotient is 1. Multiply with 1. So it is x square minus 2. Again change the signs. It will become 0. So we have got one quotient here. So quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now what we have to do? We have to do the midterm splitting of this to get 2 more zeros. To get 2 more zeros, we have to do the midterm splitting. Already I've told you in second video how to do midterm splitting. So I have to split minus 3x. So I've split it like minus 2x minus x. Take out common. 2x is common. 2x into x minus 1. Take out common from last two terms. Minus 1 is common. Now x minus 1 is common and 2x minus 1 will come in second bracket. So from here the value of x will become x minus 1 equals to 0 means x equals to 1. 2x minus 1 equals to 0 means x is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 zeros were already given. It is root 2 and minus root 2. 2 more zeros we have got. It is x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 by 2. So this is also very important question. How to find 2 more zeros if 2 zeros are given. So I think now division algorithm is clear to you. This concept is clear to you. So tomorrow I'm going to send the worksheet based on exercise 2.3 of your NCERT. Thank you very much, students.